Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Volvo key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. This common coin cell battery is readily available. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing tiny components. This entire process is straightforward and typically takes less than 5 minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button, usually found on the side of your key. Press this button firmly and then pull out the physical emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, observe its orientation, noting which side faces up, typically the positive side. Using your small screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its slot. Now, take your new CR2032 battery. Carefully insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper electrical contact. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Now, it's time to test your work. Go to your vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure the new battery is functioning correctly. You've successfully replaced your Volvo key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.